na napapanood mo mismo is another part of a resource na pwede mong gamitin. So, for example, nag-join ka, you become part of the team, pwede mong isend ito sa mga prospect mo para malaman nila yung products ng company, yung opportunity kung saan pwede nilang pagkakitaan yung mga products. Okay? So, obviously, our company name is Usana. It's been here since 1992. So, as of this presentation, 2015, 23 years old na yung company. Ang Usana is a Greek and Latin term for true health. So, it's a health and nutrition company. And our business is about changing lives. We solve people's problems. And as you can see, si Dr. Myron Wentz yung nasa right, yung Usana founder, and yung nasa left, hawak-hawak na kamay niya, is si Dr. Mehmet Oz. Our company is centered around a dream that still carries on today. Which dream is that? That's the dream of our founder, Dr. Myron Wentz. Ang sabi niya dito, ang vision niya is that I dream of a world free from pain and suffering, a world free from disease. Love life and live it to its fullest in happiness and health. And kung papansinin niyo, happiness and health yung in-emphasize niya and hindi yung financial or money. Because ang money is just a tool and hindi naman siya good nor hindi din siya evil. Right? So, hindi natin pwedeng gawing source of happiness ang pera, di ba? Pero what can we do kung unhealthy naman tayo, lagi tayong may sakit, right? So ang focus ni Dr. Myron Wentz is to provide optimum or top or high quality nutritional program sa mga tao. So our history, we were founded by a scientist and not a corporate individual. And malaking bagay ito kasi yung mga products mismo na kinikater ng Usana sa market, sinimulan and dinedevelop pa din until now, hands-on ni Dr. Myron Wentz mismo. Ang history ng Usana, nag-ugat siya actually way back from 1974 when Dr. Myron Wentz founded Gall Laboratories. Yung Gall Laboratories, expert sila in medical diagnostic technologies. Sila yung nagde-detect ng mga wala pang pangalan or rare infectious diseases na napiplague yung mga tao at that time. And naghahanap din sila ng cure sa mga sakit na yon. And since 1974 until now, paunti na ng paunti yun namamatay sa infectious diseases. That's why, nung 1992, binenta na ni Dr. Myron Wentz yung Gall Laboratories and finound niya na yung Usana, which focuses on prevention, because we all know that prevention is better than cure. Nang Usana is the number 1 nutritional manufacturing company in the whole world right now. And in 2007, si Dr. Myron Wentz, binigyan siya ng tinatawag na Albert Einstein Award, and it's one of the most prestigious award that a scientist can receive. Okay? And in between 1992 and 2007, wala lang sa slide ko, as a CPA, okay, merong award si Dr. Myron Wentz na talagang nakapagpa-join sa akin. Yun yung tinatawag na Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year Award noong 2003. And yung Filipino affiliate niyan is yung SGV. So kung ikaw CPA ka and most especially kung nagtatrabaho ka sa SGV, pwede mong tignan yung back office ninyo to confirm kung totoo nga yung sinasabi ko. Alright? And in 2012, Usana celebrated the 20th year. Okay? In fact, nung convention ng 2012, bumili yung Usana ng over 10,000 iPad. So, because Usana never settles, medyo mayabang siya, alam natin maganda yung quality. And in fact, yung mga tao na mismo yung nagsasabi in the network marketing industry that Usana is number 1. Number 1 distributor's choice in MLM magazine. So, in Network Marketing Today magazine, yan yung authority when it comes to grading network marketing companies across the globe. So, sabi dyan, for 16 consecutive years since 1997 tayo nag-number 1. Throughout the years na nag-exist ang Usana, sobrang dami niya ng awards na natatanggap. And one of my favorite is yung best places to work for, and 5 wins since 2009, imagine. So tapos yung CEO natin si Dave Wentz, yung anak ni Dr. Myron Wentz, nabigyan siya ng award ng Forbes as the most powerful CEOs 40 and under. And ako as an auditor, hindi ako basta-basta naniniwala sa mga sabi-sabi lang. So I look for third party evidences, and what I found out is that this book is actually an evidence, a third-party evidence na walang kinalaman sa Usana. And sinasabi dyan that over 1,600 or 1,600 nutritional supplements evaluated by the group of scientists together with Lyle McWilliam, Usana is the number 1 Okay, or got the highest rating, 5-star rating. And as you can see, yung mga nasa baba niya, yan yung mga ilan sa sikat na mga produkto na na-include dyan sa testing ng company na yan. Okay? And USANA is a doctor-approved company. Nakalista siya sa Physician's Desk Reference, sa Compendium of Pharmaceuticals and Specialties, and dito sa Philippines, nasa Philippine Pharmaceutical Directory din tayo, or PPD. And we also have some other friends who would agree, who are athletes. We actually sponsor over 700 athletes, elite and Olympic and professional level athletes who takes our supplements. Maganda dyan, hindi sila binabayaran ng pera. Binibigyan lang sila ng certain amount of products ng USANA so that every time they play, every time they fight, every time they do their sports, they are on their top and optimum level. Okay? Tapos, we are the official health supplement supplier of WTA, snowboarding, USA, US ski team, and etc. Okay? So, the second part is the true health part. Okay, what's the health reality? The reality is that everyone wants to be healthy, including you and me. Okay? So, we manufacture the highest quality science-based products that people trust, whether you are an athlete, okay, or just an ordinary person who wants to improve their lifestyle. Okay? Because living a life you love begins with great health. Imagine, kung may sakit ka, aanhin mo yung pera mo, right? So, totoo yung sinasabi nila na that health is wealth. Unfortunately, many people are plagued by the leading causes of premature death. Yan yung mga tinatawag na chronic degenerative diseases. Yan yung mga sakit na pag tinamaan tayo, halos wala na tayong kawala. Kagaya ng cardiovascular disease, cancer, stroke, respiratory disease, and diabetes. In fact, dito sa Philippines, we are a diabetic country because sobrang sweet tooth ang mga Pinoy. Mahilig sa Coke, mahilig sa mga soda, mahilig sa juice, mahilig sa sugar, mahilig sa donut, mahilig sa ice cream, and so on and so forth, right? That's why nagkakaroon tayo ng type 2 diabetes. But it's never too late to improve. That's the good news. Kahit saang state ka pa ng health, okay? Kahit na na-stroke ka na, kahit na comatose ka na, you can always proactively engage in healthy activities and improve your health, okay? Kahit matanda ka pa. So, where do we start? We start nutrition at the cellular level because as we know, the basic unit of life is our cells, 'di ba? All living things existing in this world are composed of cells. In fact, our body, the typical human body, is composed of 70 to 100 trillion of cells. That's 100 times of a billion. Okay? So, yung mga cells, ang pagkain niyan, yung mga tinatawag na antioxidants and nutrition, which are oftenly found on from fruits and vegetables. So, as we all know, as a tropical country, abundant tayo sa mga buko, sa mga mangga, sa mga fruits and vegetables, right? But, as we also know, hindi na natin alam ngayon yung mga nakukuha natin sa grocery kung safe pa ba siyang kainin in the long term. Why? Dahil alam natin that ang common practice sa commercialism is may mga pesticides na nilalagay dyan, may mga chemicals na nai-inject para magkulay, may mga harmful preservatives na rin, right? Hindi na tayo ngayon kapanahunan ng mga ninuno natin kung saan yung mga lupa matataba pa. Okay? And very, very safe pa yung method nila ng pag-harvest ng fruits and vegetables, unlike today. Okay? But the antioxidants and nutrition found in fruits and vegetables give cells a boost to win the fight against the free radicals. Ano yung mga free radicals? Yan yung mga goons, yan yung mga siga na nagda-damage ng mga healthy cells natin. We need certain amount of free radicals in our body para mag-regenerate yung cells natin into greater cells. Pero too much of that results to oxidative stress kung tawagin. Yung oxidative stress, yan yung nakaka-damage ng mga organs natin resulting to major chronic degenerative diseases na katulad ng mga binanggit ko kanina. Okay? So, saan natin nakukuha yung mga free radicals na yan? Pollution. Suking-suki tayo niyan dito sa Philippines. Right? Radiation sa lahat sa buong mundo. Lalo na nauuso na yung mga tablet, mga smartphones, and usually nakakatulugan natin. So, you can just imagine yung radiation nun pumapasok sa brain natin. Right? Toxins coming from the bad habits and yung stress. Stress from our relationships, stress from not having too much time with their family, stress from work, stress from travel or commute, and stress from money, of course, right? So, ito yung itsura ng healthy human cells in culture. Buong-buo siya, di ba? Pero yung nasa gitna, yung healthy human cells, nilagyan nila ng typical fast food meal. So, na-damage siya, namatay siya, kung papansinin nyo, parang ang liliit na niya, di ba? But these similar cells, dun sa right side, nilagyan niya ng mga tinatawag na antioxidants. That's why, nag-regenerate siya ng mas mabilis. Okay? But in reality, are your cells getting the nutrients needed to win the fight today currently? Okay? Alam na ba natin kung paano magbasa ng mga nutrition facts? Alam natin kung ilang calories ba yung kinakain natin? Okay. Just to give you an idea, okay, if you are getting enough vitamin E every day, okay, and gusto mong kunin yun sa diet, okay, you would have to eat at least almost 30 pounds of spinach every single day. And remember, cartoons lang si Popeye. Wala talagang taong nakakagawa niyan. And yung almonds, 'di ba, one of my favorite types of nuts. Okay, medyo may kamahalan yan next to pistachio. You have to eat almost 3 pounds or almost 750 pesos every day just to get enough vitamin E. And syempre, sobrang magre-release ng maraming utot niyan, 'di ba? So, pag nasa roon ka ng crowd, medyo babaho. So just to give you an idea, ito yung to get the sufficient amount of nutrients every day, you would have to consume almost 22,000 calories or almost 7 to 8 pounds every day, and you would have to spend almost 1,200 pesos every day just to get enough micro and macronutrients every day. So just to give you an example, itong two bottles na to, yan yung tinatawag na essentials, which I will discuss more briefly sa later slides. Just to give you an idea, dito sa my right side, yung chicken breasts, okay, favorite yung mga ng mga nag-gym because of the protein. Pero dyan, one of the good sources of zinc yan. For a human being, okay, daily, ang optimum level ng zinc na kailangan natin is 20 milligrams, which you would have to eat at least 5 chicken breast. And hindi yan masarap kasi white meat yan. Dito naman sa farther left, ito yung mga medium oranges. Kahit na orange lover ka pa, okay, sure ako na mahihirapan kang mag-sustain ng almost 20 pieces of medium oranges every day just to get enough vitamin C. Okay, dyan nauuso yung mga supplementation. Okay, so what would you rather do? Ako, I would rather drink supplementation to fill the gaps, 'di ba? Hindi ko naman sinasabi na i-give up ko yung fruits and vegetables. In fact, nung nagyusana ako, mas naging health conscious ako, and umiiwas na ako ngayon sa soda, sa iced tea, sa mga artificial powder juice drinks, and I'm choosing more smarter, better foods than before I was involved in Usana. Okay? So are supplements a solution? Does it matter what kind? The reality is that all supplements are not created equal. Okay? In fact, in a recent study, 54% ang hindi natutunaw sa liver natin and nadidistribute sa bloodstream within 20 minutes, which is a major indicator of product quality. And according to Dr. Myron Wentz, most health supplements fall far short of meeting the nutritional needs of the body cells. Okay? So, Usana, nutritionals are different. Okay? We have superior ingredients, okay? We have balanced science-based formulas, and we have accredited team of scientific experts who monitor and manufactures and develop and researches the products. Ito yung mga head ng kanya-kanyang department sa loob ng manufacturing plant ng Usana. And we have a $1 million athlete guarantee, which means every time na lumalaban o naglalaro yung mga atleta at pinaihi sila to see if they consumed banned substance or performance enhancer, at na-trace na nanggaling sa Usana yung performance enhancer na yun, automatically bibigyan ni Usana ng up to $1 million yung athlete na yun. But for 23 years, fortunately, for everybody, wala pang nakakuha ng guarantee na yan. Okay? So, build your health on a strong foundation. Start with the essentials. Ito itsura ng essentials. 2 bote talaga siya lagi. Pares na yan pag binili mo. Yung kulay blue, yung chelated mineral, and mega antioxidant, yung kulay green. Kumbaga parang pinag-ayos na Ateneo at Lasal yan. Joke. Yung mega antioxidant, nandyan na rin yung mga multivitamins. But pinaghiwalay because on the manufacturing level, there are several minerals and vitamins. Sa pag pinagsama mo, naglalabanan sila. Pero pag sinama mo sila sa katawan mo, okay, tinake mo sila together, nagtutulungan naman sila. Okay, ang maganda dyan, when Usana entered the Philippines, yung BFAD natin, tinatakan siya ng no approved therapeutic claim. But 6 years na nag-e-exist ang Usana dito sa Philippines, on the second year, winave na ng BFAD yung no approved therapeutic claim. Okay, so it has precisely balanced amounts of vitamins and minerals, cell-protecting antioxidant, and it has the patented olive oil, which helps our body cope up with stress. Okay, so Usana also has a wide range of other products to give you a life you love. Okay, so depende kung meron ka specific concern sa katawan mo, these are what you call optimizers. So depende kung meron kang mga sakit-sakit or may priority ka, for example, athlete ka, so maybe you would need Procosa for the joints. Kuwari nagiging makalimutin ka na, maybe you would need to take fish oil, omega-3 fatty acid, and meron siyang EPA, DHA for brain development and memory enhancer. Or maybe insomniac ka, kailangan mo ng Pure Rest, natural melatonin supplement ng Usana, or whatever. Kumari may osteoporosis ka, kailangan mo ng active calcium. Alright? So, iba-iba. Idadagdag mo lang siya with essentials because yung essentials, hindi pwedeng mawala yun. Yun yung foundation natin for the health. Okay? And we also have our one of the best sellers, okay, weight management program of Usana called Nutrimil. It comes in 3 flavors: wild strawberry, French vanilla, and my most favorite, the Dutch chocolate. Pwede mo silang i-mix together or i-blend with other fruits to add flavor, and it's really delicious. The typical losing of weight is about 4.5 to 5 pounds in 5 days. I personally lost 8 pounds in 5 days using the program. Okay? The third product line of Usana is called Sansei, which means beautiful science. Okay? It's for the family actually. From yung pang shaving cream mo, pang shampoo, pang toothpaste, and everything, kasama na yan. Okay? So, what's your personal health challenge? Are you as healthy as you want to be? Okay? Are you and your family getting the nutrition you need? Tingnan mo yung anak mo. Itsura pa lang, malalaman mo na kung healthy or hindi. Right? Are you living the life you want or is there more? The third part of our presentation will be the true wealth. Dito pag-uusapan naman natin kung paano mo pwedeng pagkakitaan yung mga products na diniscuss ko sa'yo. Okay? Now, if you're just interested in using the products, okay, you can already turn off this video para makausap na kaagad yung taong nag-invite sa'yo. Okay? And pwede ka nang umorder sa kanya. Pero you will get it at retail price. But, if you're the type of person that think big, okay, and thinks na kailangan mong i-share yung mga product and information na nalaman mo today through this video to the people you love. And you might as well earn from it na rin, right? So, if that's the case, continue with this video. So, on the third part is the true wealth. Okay. So, sure, diba, you could work a 9 to 5 desk job, but is that what you want? The reality is that kung 9 to 5 ang trabaho natin, okay, we're not against employment here because I work also for almost 2 years. Pero the reality was, when I was working, hindi naman talaga ako alas 9 nagigising. Okay? Alas 6 pa lang gising na ako. Magbe-breakfast ako, tapos may ikipagsapalaran ako sa pila sa FX, tapos yung traffic, grabing stressful, right? And 5 p.m. yung kontrata na pinirmahan ko at that time, pero usually 10 p.m. na ako nakakauwi, or minsan midnight, or minsan overnight pa because may overtime thank you pa, right? And kung sobrang puyat na, minsan nakakatulugan ko yung commute, lumalagpas sa dapat kong babaan. Pagbaba ko, nasnatcha na pala ako. Okay? Totoo po yun, na-experience ko po yung mga yon. Okay? So, dreams. Alright? Look at that word. Okay? The reality is, when I was working, hindi naman talaga natin pinag-uusapan yan. Okay? Ang pinag-uusapan namin is ang topic lagi namin magbabarkada sa work is yung boss. Work itself, overtime, yung 15-30 na kikitain. Okay? Living a life you love means having financial freedom. Sobrang taas po ng conviction ko when it comes to that topic. Because think about this. Pause for a minute. If you don't have financial freedom, which means you can choose to work or not to work, but regardless, kumikita ka pa din, and nasusustain yung lifestyle na gusto mo. Kung hindi mo na-achieve yun, paano mo ma-enjoy ang life mo? Okay? Mapipilitan ka na lang makontento. Okay? Paano kung gusto mong tumulong, gusto mong nagkaroon ng emergency, hindi ka makatulong, di ba? So, mahirap magbigay kung wala ka rin, tama? Unfortunately, many people face real financial challenges. May mga utang, kaliwat kanan, and so on and so forth. Living paycheck to paycheck, saddled with massive debt. And ito, yung third, na-realize ko din to. As an employee, I work 4 to 6 months a year just to pay taxes. Okay? But as a business owner, okay, kikitain ko yung pera, gagastusin ko, and then what's left over will be paid to the taxes. Unlike sa employment, yung salary ko, kaltasado na ng tax and wala na tayong magagawa ron. So find freedom by owning a Usana business. Yes, this is actually a business and not another part-time job. Okay. The good thing about having a business is that a Usana business is that you won't have to pay employees, you don't have a boss, you don't have set hours, you actually work on your own pace, you don't have an office, and one of the things that I really enjoyed is that I don't have to wear the things that I don't want to wear. Okay, imagine mo tropical country tayo tapos magkukurbata ka. Sobrang hirap nun sa akin at that time, especially as a fieldwork auditor. Okay, so may tax advantages as I've said. Okay, this industry is actually booming. Network marketing or direct selling industry is actually booming. Just to give you a little statistics, almost 90 million people are already involved in this business. Just to give an idea how large that is. The population of entire Philippines is over 100 million lang. Okay. And ang network marketing industry is constantly growing. Okay. Pero baka masaturate naman yung market, you might think of that, 'di ba? Pero imagine, noong 1955, ang population lang ng buong mundo is 2 billion. Okay? Ang population na ng buong mundo ngayon is 7.34 billion. Okay, last year 7 billion, last year 6.5 billion. So, hindi natin kayang habulin ang population growth. Okay, so wala tayong talagang saturation, right? And $33 billion a year ang sales ng network marketing industry sa North America alone. Pag sinama mo yung buong mundo, $178 billion, which means $200 million ang nababayad sa mga distributor every single day. Okay? Network marketing, what are the other network marketing benefits? One of the well-known economists, Paul Zane Pilzer, which is one of the people who predicted the global crisis noong 2008, said that with direct selling or network marketing, the headaches of traditional business ownership are virtually eliminated. Kasi walang mga overhead expenses dito. Wala kang babayarang utilities, renta, wala kang ipapagawang infrastructure, and so on and so forth. Okay? But you have a virtual business through network marketing. Okay, build time leverage residual income, which means darating yung panahon na wala nating ginagawa, kumikita pa din tayo. Okay? So, pero hindi ko sinasabing madali ito. Sinasabi ko simple to. Simpler ito as compared to other types of or way of earning. Pero mahirap din siya. Okay? Pero worth it siya. And ito yung one of the most favorite ko as a Filipino, low startup cost. In as low as 16,000 pesos, you can start your Usana business. Alright? And kung gusto mo yung talagang full package, kagaya ng ginawa namin, although pinangutang ko yon to be honest, is 32,000. Diba? Okay na rin siya as a business. Diba? Saan ka makakita ng business na ganun lang kaliit ang capital mo, and yet pwede ka kumita ng malaki. Alright? So, grow your business with the support of a team. You actually do this with people. Okay? Hindi ka mag-iisa dito. Okay? Earn a generous percentage of profits from product sales. So, which way would you prefer? The linear way, which is the traditional, or the residual way, wherein you build your own organization of independent business builders. Yes, you become an actual leader. Kahit na mahiyain ka ngayon, kahit na hindi mo ma-imagine na balang araw magsasalita ka sa Araneta, okay, para mag-inspire ng libo-libo ng tao, mangyayari yun. Okay? So, be compensated for what you sell, actually what you share, and your team's effort as well. So, which way do you wanna go? So, ang investment dito to be involved in this business is either you avail of the small business model, which is 200 points for as low as 16,000, or estimate lang yan actually, depende sa products na pipiliin mo, or 400 points, which is 3 business center, 32,000. 100% products yan, okay, of your choice. And kasama na rin dyan yung BDS toolkit for just 990 pesos, business development system, and we have initial order reward, which 10% of your initial cost of investment will go back to you in the form of discount on your next 2 auto orders. Okay, i-discuss ko yon personally or over Skype. Okay, so ito yung itsura ng BDS, kung saan nandyan na yung mga DVD, Health and Freedom Solutions, andyan na yung concepts, kung paano gagawin yung business, andyan na yung mga product details, retail receipt, and so on and so forth. 25 to 33% profit margin, pwede mong patungan yung mga products na binili mo. All access to the hub, our back office, kung saan nandyan na rin lahat ng online materials na kailangan natin. Okay? Meron na rin tayong 10 months free website worth 750 pesos per month. Okay, so since I joined Usana over a year already, nag-expire na rin yan sa akin. So, nagsusubscribe ako ng 750 pesos per month to have my own website. Pero as for you, pag nag-join ka dito at kinuha mo yung 400 points, meron kang 10 months free website. Kung 200 points, meron ka pa rin at least 5 months free website na ma-edit mo yan to your liking. And kung full package talaga kinuha mo, 500 points, meron kang $30 rebate kagad. Okay, so we have 6 ways to earn in this business. Pero after this slide, magpapakita ako or magpe-play ako ng company video presentation para mas maganda, mas presentable, at mas maiintindihan mo. English version nga lang yon. So, paulit-ulitin mo na lang kasi ako pinaulit-ulit yan. So, number 1 is retail sales, where you earn profits on the difference between distributor's price and retail price. Number 2 is weekly commissions, which I will play on the next slide. Lifetime matching bonus, one of my favorites kasi lifetime siya, parang inheritance na siya. Okay, wherein para kang talent manager, you can earn up to 15% ng income na kinikita ng mga taong pinasok mo. Okay, pero hindi ikakalta sa kanila. And we have travel incentives, okay, from Boracay, Palawan, up to Maldives, Australia Great Barrier Reef, European Tour, Hawaii, Japan, Southeast Asian Tour, Royal Caribbean Cruise, Asian Cruise, and so on and so forth. And we also have leadership bonus wherein 3% of the sales of Usana worldwide hinahati-hati sa lahat ng top distributors. And yung elite bonus, meron na tayong 5 Pilipinong kumikita dyan, over $1 million every quarter, pinag-share nila yon. Okay, so ready ka na bang makita yung next video? Okay, it's over 12 minutes. Okay, so sana mag-focus ka dun sa video na to and you continue to take down notes, and I will see you after the video.
At Usana, everything we do helps you love life and live it. And that includes giving you the opportunity to make money by sharing our award-winning, top-rated health and wellness products with others. In fact, since 1992, Usana has paid out more than $2 billion in commissions and bonuses. So we're not talking pocket change. But first things first, let's talk about how you get paid. When you enroll as a Usana associate, you'll be given a business center. It's like a store where you earn money from product sales. Your first business center is BC1. Business centers have a left and a right. As you begin sharing Usana and enrolling associates, you'll place them on your left or right side. Maybe Bob is a coworker, maybe Jill is a neighbor. They become Usana associates and join your team because they love the products and want to make some extra money just like you. Once they open their business centers, they can enroll their own associates. As you'll soon see, this structure creates teamwork, stability, and growth in your business. You'll notice that when we talk about product and sales volume and getting paid commissions in Usana, we talk in terms of points instead of the currency you use in your country. Points are of course converted to local currency when people order products and when Usana pays commissions. The reason we use points is that Usana wants to make it easy for you to expand your business internationally. As your business grows, there's a good chance many of your teammates will have friends and family in other countries. They can be enrolled as associates, all contributing to your sales volume. And you don't have to worry about currencies, exchange rates, customs, translation, or anything else that makes it difficult to build an international business. It's all taken care of by Usana. And all of these product orders are placed directly through Usana, so you never have to worry about inventory or shipping. To create big, consistent, long-term income potential, you need to build both sides of your business. For example, you and Bob can work together to build your left side, finding new associates. The sales volume generated from all of these new people, whether they were enrolled by you or Bob, will be part of your business as well as Bob's. The same goes for your right. The side with the least sales volume is your small side. This might change from week to week based on the sales volume in each side. So each week, you know just where to focus your efforts, on your small side. If you do this, both sides will grow over time, and so will your income. And keep in mind, you are on your sponsor's team. As your business grows, so does theirs. So it pays for them to help you build your business and succeed. Each week, the sales volume is added up on the left and right sides of your business center, up to 5,000 points per side. Once you accumulate at least 125 points on each side, you'll earn a commission check. Because focusing on your small side is the key to growing your business, it sets the standard for your commissions from week to week. You're paid a 10% commission on the matching volume of both sides. Here's an easy way to look at it. Your weekly commission is 20% of the small side. It's that simple. So in this case, you'd earn 20% of 1,100, or 220 commission points. And don't worry, you don't lose the extra points on the other side. They are automatically rolled over to the following week, up to 5,000 points, to contribute to your next paycheck. So in this case, the next week, your right side would start out with 400 sales volume points. Additional volume is added on top. So at the end of the week, if you had 3,000 left and 2,500 right, you'd earn 20% of 2,500, or a 500-point commission. 500 points roll over. But this is just the beginning. When you reach 5,000 points on your left and 5,000 on your right, you have maxed your business center, and you are rewarded with another business center. It's like opening another store. Your BC2 works exactly like your BC1, and you decide when and where to place it in your organization. Now you can start expanding your team under BC2. In this case, it would be a great idea to work with Jill and Tom. They could work on the right side of BC2, and you could work on the left. All of you would be benefiting from the sales volume generated. When commissions are calculated each week, BC2 and BC1 each earn their own commission. And since BC2 is actually part of BC1, its sales volume flows up to BC1, adding to the volume there. Each business center, including new ones, can earn you up to 2 more business centers. So the next time BC1 generates 5,000 points on the left and 5,000 on the right, you'll earn your BC3. As you earn more and more business centers, your income potential increases dramatically. Setting up auto orders is a convenient way to consistently receive your products every month. This is important for your health and for the health of your business. Automatic orders throughout your organization keep consistent sales volume flowing through your business centers, helping to ensure consistent commission checks each week. But that's not the only benefit of auto orders. Every time you max a business center with 5,000 left and 5,000 right, if the sales volume comes from auto orders, you'll get a 25% addition to your commission. So instead of earning a maximum of 1,000 points for each business center, you can earn up to 1,250 per business center per week. That's 65,000 commission points per year. With each business center paying up to 65,000 points per year, you can see the power of maxing business centers and encouraging your team to take advantage of auto orders. In fact, for new customers, USANA offers special discounts and incentives for setting up an auto order. Working a USANA business isn't the same as working a traditional job where you trade hours for dollars. The USANA mindset is different. At USANA, you're paid leveraged, reoccurring income based on the efforts of you and your whole team. This is why we have a personal sales requirement, which helps keep everyone on your team promoting USANA's products. Personal sales volume comes from product purchases you make for your customers and for your personal use. To keep one of your business centers open, which means you'll be eligible to earn commissions, you need 100 personal sales volume points every 4 weeks. To keep all of your business centers open, no matter how many you have, you only need 200 sales volume points every 4 weeks. Remember, you get paid commissions on a weekly basis, but your personal sales volume requirements only need to be met every 4 weeks. By remaining in compliance with the associate agreement and by generating the required personal volume, you qualify to earn commissions. If you don't meet your personal volume requirement, any rollover volume you have or any new volume you have earned goes to zero. It won't take long for you to feel the benefits of USANA's products and want to make them a big part of your life. USANA offers millions of dollars in bonuses and incentives to make it fun and even more rewarding to build your business and help your teammates do the same. These bonuses are in addition to your regular commissions. You can take advantage of the lifetime matching bonus by helping your new teammates build their businesses quickly. You can earn a percentage of their weekly commissions added to your weekly income for life. As you grow your business, you will advance as a USANA leader, qualifying you to earn shares of the leadership bonus pool, a portion of the worldwide sales of the company. The elite bonus is another pool of money, over $1 million per quarter, that's divided among USANA's top earners. Get all the details from your sponsor. And USANA goes even further in rewarding you for your efforts, with exotic vacations, cruises, training retreats, prizes, and special recognition. And to help keep your team engaged and motivated, we hold fun contests, incentives, and special promotions year-round. Get involved, have fun, and live life. It's that easy. Now we've come to the best part of USANA's compensation plan. It's a way to double your income right from the start. For new associates, USANA offers a one-time opportunity to start your business with 3 business centers instead of 1. This doubles your income potential without increasing the amount of sales you need to generate. It works like this. Your BC1 will start out with BC2 on the left and BC3 on the right. BC2 and BC3 each have their own left and right sides. For this example, we'll use nice even numbers to keep the math easy. So, let's say both sides of BC2 and BC3 each generate 1,000 sales volume points. You'd also have 2,000 left and 2,000 right on your BC1. Why? Because everything under BC2 is on the left side of BC1. And everything under BC3 is on the right of BC1. To calculate your weekly commission, you've got 2,000 sales volume points from BC1, 1,000 from BC2, and 1,000 from BC3. 20% of the total is your commission. In this example, it's 800 commission points. If you only had 1 business center and the same sales volume, you would only earn 400 commission points. With 3 business centers, you're earning twice as much. Remember, we're talking double the commission with the same sales volume in your organization. This huge increase in income potential is why the most successful people in USANA start out with 3 business centers. As a new associate, you can open 3 business centers with 400 sales volume points. Normally, each business center requires 200 points to open, which means that you're opening 3 business centers with the sales volume required for 2. Keep in mind, the option to open 3 business centers with only 400 points is exclusively for new associates. Your goals and dreams are unique. You can use USANA as your vehicle to achieve them. First, there's the health side of USANA, which provides you and others with the highest rated nutritional supplements in the world. Because without health, you can't enjoy life to its fullest. Then there's the business side of USANA, which gives you the freedom to spend your time the way you want and create the financial success you've been dreaming about. Here's the bottom line. Everything we do helps you love life and live it. USANA is the best company, has the best products, and offers you the best opportunity to create the future you want. Take charge of your life. Today is the day. Your health, your life, your way.
Alright, so nag-enjoy ba kayo dun sa video na to? Grabe, di ba? So, actually, in this business, what I realize is that meron ka talagang chance na ma-build yung financial freedom, time freedom, and health freedom mo through USANA. Okay? Because you actually do it not alone, but through a team. And habang kumikita yung team mo, kumikita ka din. Okay? So, tulungan program siya, kumbaga. And in this business, you can actually experience true financial freedom. Okay? And here are some of my co-distributors in USANA, na some of them whom I actually met personally when they visited the Philippines. So, itong mga to, ito yung mga tao na very successful na rin sa kanya-kanya, usually sa mga US to. Pero dito sa Philippines, grabe, sobrang dami na rin talagang successful dito. But as you can see, hindi tayo yung typical na network marketing company na nagpapakita ng mga cheque-cheque, no? So, very professional yung approach natin, and kumbaga, we focus on the value na ipoprovide ng company, not dun sa hype. We don't focus on dun sa hype, okay? So, you are the only person who can excite yourself. Okay, if you can envision kung ano yung nag-aantay sa yung future, talagang marirealize mo that there's more to life. Okay? So, what's your personal challenge? Think about those challenges. Okay? What is your financial reality? Okay? As you finish this video, I suggest that you get a pen and paper and list down the dreams of your life when you were a kid, or ngayon, kung ano yung mga pangarap mo. Tapos maglagay ka ng presyo dun sa mga pangarap na yun. And sa katabi nun, computein mo kung how much yung kinikita mo, how much yung nasisave mo every month, and i-compare mo kung ilang months or ilang years or ilang lifetime mo kailangan kitain yung kinikita mo para makuha mo yung mga pinapangarap mo. Okay? And can you afford the lifestyle you want currently? If not, anong ginagawa natin? Okay? And do you have enough quality time for your family and for yourself and for your friends? Okay? If not, anong ginagawa natin? So the fourth and last part of our presentation will be your training resources. Okay? Just to give you an idea, okay, itong mismong video na to, since mapapansin mo, hindi ko masyadong binabanggit yung team namin, hindi ko masyadong binabanggit yung pangalan ko, this is a generic type of presentation na Filipino style. Okay? So, kung ikaw Filipino ka and you want to share it with other prospects, pwede mong gamitin to as a tool. Okay? So, ang system lang na may offer ng team namin, which is exclusive para sa team namin, di namin pwedeng i-share dito, is kung paano natin pwedeng i-share ito without being pushy or salesy. Alright? At hindi sa nakakahiyang way. Alright? So, USANA has a lot to offer. Actually, we're big on technology. Okay, since the online boom, the internet boom, nagagamit na talaga namin yung ng mabuti yung internet, okay? In a not spammy way, okay? So you're not in this by yourself. You will actually be working with a team, okay? For as long as you are coachable, ambitious enough, and hungry for learning, bagay na bagay sa'yo talagang business na to. It doesn't matter kung linya mo to, it doesn't matter kung mahiyain ka, for as long as you're willing to learn and you are ambitious enough to go out of your comfort zone and conquer your fears, together we can do it. So, this is an example of one of the tools that we can use, True Health Assessment. So, pwede mong i-visit ito sa truehealthassessment.com. Tapos, parang ano siya, health assessment, literally. Kung saan yung profile mo, kukunin niya with privacy, hindi niya i-disclose yung information mo, and then after the assessment, bibigyan ka ng recommendations ng product, lifestyle plan, and ano yung mga top health risk areas na na-encounter mo ngayon, okay, na hindi natin na-realize. And yung the hub, yung back office natin. Alright? So, dito na nagtatapos ang ating presentation. I hope hindi ka na-bore. I hope nag-enjoy ka. And I hope you got value from this information na nakita mo ngayon. And I hope makita ka namin in person and be part of the team. Go back to the person who invited